we decided to apply for these grants in an effort to highlight some of our water conservation efforts and be able to say that we're leading by example by having a water-wise landscape here as well. We really wanted it to provide information and examples to the community and really entice community members to do the same on their properties. One of our council's visions is for community beautification and economic development, and so this project really helped meet those needs because it is far more aesthetically pleasing than what was here before. We're still in the establishment phase, even for the first phase of the project, kind of on the last year of establishment, but we have already seen decreased water use since 2022, which is really great, and we expect that only to increase over time. We also have been really pleased by the level of community engagement that we've received at the site. We see people here all the time asking questions, looking at the plant signs, reading our informational signs, so we're really excited to see the community interest in this project as well. We were able to do it in 3 phases. We have some work in our parking lot island, we have some at the entrance here, as well as on the front of our building. For the 3 different phases, Northern Water actually supported us in getting some Denver Botanic Garden designs done. It was really nice to have the same designer for all 3 spaces because she was really able to understand our site and create 3 complementary designs. After the 3 designs were done, we were able to amend the soil per the Denver Botanic Garden's Western Best Practices document, and then also convert all of our irrigation to the needs of the 3 different landscapes. We were able to receive just under $60,000, which is very helpful to a city like Evans. We absolutely do feel like we accomplished what we set out to with these grants. We were hoping to install water-wise landscaping and see some of those benefits for the city, but also to create a sense of place and beauty for the community. And we've seen so much interaction in these spaces. We have some plant ID tags throughout the area. We have pathways going through the area. We have some informational signs too. And so we've really seen the public engage with this space, which is what we were hoping for. And throughout the process, Northern Water was incredibly supportive. They obviously really want your projects to turn out well. And they were so helpful in terms of accommodations and recommendations throughout the 3 phases.